In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email campaigns with ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, first things first, make sure you have an ActiveCampaign account. If you don't, head over to their website and create one. They offer a trial period so you can explore the platform without any commitment. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard that features an overview of your account, including your contacts and reports. Now, let's dive into creating your email campaign. Look for the Campaigns tab in the left sidebar and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your campaigns. To start a new one, look for the Create a Campaign button and give that a click. You'll have to name your campaign, so think of something catchy and relevant to the content you intend to send out. This name is just for you. Your subscribers won't see it. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to send. ActiveCampaign offers several options, but for our purposes, let's go with the standard campaign. Click Next after you've made your selection. Now it's time to select the audience that you want to reach with this campaign. ActiveCampaign allows you to choose from different lists or segments. If you already have lists set up, you can select your desired target audience. If you're still in the process of building your list, you might consider creating a new one. But for now, let's just pick an existing list that fits your campaign goals. Once you've selected your audience, you can move on to the actual design of your email. You'll see different email builders ranging from a simple drag-and-drop editor to more advanced HTML options. For most users, the drag-and-drop editor is super user-friendly and allows for quick adjustments. Choose a template that resonates with your campaign style and click on it. Now you'll be in the email editor, where the real creative magic happens. Start by entering a subject line that grabs attention. Consider what would encourage your recipient to open your email. A catchy subject line can make all the difference. Next, you can personalize your email by adding a greeting, images, and any specific content you want to include. The drag-and-drop editor makes it really easy to add text blocks, images, buttons, or even videos. Take your time here to ensure it reflects your brand and delivers the message you want to send clearly. Additionally, don't forget to incorporate a call to action, urging recipients to take a desired action, whether it's clicking a link, signing up for an event, or making a purchase. Once your email design is on point and you're happy with your content, it's very important to review everything. Check for typos, make sure links work, and ensure that the overall layout is visually appealing. Preview the email on both desktop and mobile formats because a significant portion of your audience will likely open it on their phones. Finally, when you're ready to send your campaign, look for the Next button. You'll have the option to send immediately or schedule it for a later time, whichever suits you best. After scheduling, you'll receive an overview, and once you confirm, your email campaign will be set to go. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send email campaigns with ActiveCampaign. With time and practice, you'll become more comfortable and creative with your campaigns. Thanks for watching.